Hello, cordial greeting. My name is Dairo Castañeda, a semester student degree in English. In this slide, I am going to tell about an important topic: how to make better use of ACT in education. Mention the main idea of the ACE video. The specific idea of the first video is ACT, and it's very important when it comes to being put into practice to teach a class. The theme of the second video deals with the poor mentality that students have today and the little commitment to education thereof. Compare and contrast both videos. Making a comparison, it can be clearly analyzing that than if ACTs were used, the mentality of the all student would be better focused and of my inherent quality. Sign is clear that these are most optimal and modern to the transmitted holiday. Have you suggest for the better use of the ACT in the classroom in how the teacher could improve the effective use of the tools? My suggestion is that there be a correct induction of the two in the adequate use of ACTs for teacher and students. Science, due to ignorance of their grade adapt a lot. If the teacher is properly trained, he will be able to get on the right part of to the students. In many education institutions, they perhaps have the main but due the ignorance of the real operation in the loss that effectiveness when teaching. Some do the age, others do the laziness, and others due to lack of interest. That's the way the grand advance will be. They take advantage of the technological innovation and that have emerged for education. Okay, thank you very much. This is all.